How to fix WhatsApp login problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily fix if you're having trouble with your WhatsApp login in. So the very first thing you want to do is make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date. Go to Google Play Store and then go to the search bar down below. Tap on the search icon and search for WhatsApp. Hit enter, and if there are any updates available, you'll find the update button here instead of open. So just go ahead and update the application to its latest version. Then, once you have done that, all you need to do is go over to your settings menu. And once you go to settings, all you have to do is scroll down and find the account tab. So just go ahead and tap on apps. From here, find WhatsApp. Go to the search bar, search for WhatsApp. Then long press on the storage button and then clear cache. Now tap on clear data if you want as well. Then tap on force stop. What it does is if you're having any background request, it will completely stop it. Now go to battery. Make sure that it's selected to optimized or unrestricted. And after doing all of this, try to log in one more time. If that is if that's not working, then the last thing you can do is uninstall WhatsApp. So all you have to do is long press on your WhatsApp and then tap on uninstall, reinstall it back again, and you should be good to go. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.